Hey everyone, today we're diving into Tri Massager Pro. It's this EMS foot massager device you see in tons of ads, claiming to zap away foot pain, improve circulation, cut down on swelling, and even help with stuff like neuropathy using gentle electrical pulses. In this review, we'll cover what it actually is, the claims, real user experiences, pros and cons, and the key question, is it a scam or legit? I'll keep things simple and honest so you can decide easily. So basically, Tri Massager Pro, sometimes called EMSense or similar, is a compact foot pad or wrap-style device. You place your feet on it or wrap it around, plug it in or charge it, and it delivers EMS, electrical muscle stimulation, pulses to stimulate muscles and nerves. Main claims are better blood flow, relief from tired or achy feet, reduced swelling, and support for daily comfort without fancy trips to the doctor. It often has adjustable levels, maybe heat or compression in some versions, and looks portable for home use. First impressions from descriptions say it's easy to set up, gives a tingly, relaxing vibe right away, and the build seems okay for the price. Nothing premium, but functional. Early usage notes mention it feels soothing for short sessions, though the intensity can be mild for deeper issues. Okay, now let's do a quick website legitimacy check. The main site, like TriMassagerPro.com, has a Scam Advisor trust score around 67 out of 100. Fair, but not great, and flags include very young domain age, about 4 months old from late 2025. Other tools like Scam Detector give it a low score around 29 out of 100, calling it risky due to hidden info and high-risk patterns. Overall, it leans toward high risk with the super new registration, privacy protection, and heavy ad pushes without much established backing. Moving on to real user experience and reviews. Trustpilot shows almost nothing specific for Tri Massager Pro itself. Some related EMSense pages have mixed or company-promoted feedback around 4 out of 5, but independent spots are quiet. YouTube and forums mostly show review videos questioning it, with users saying similar generic EMS foot massagers give short-term tingling relief for tired feet, but no real fix for serious pain or neuropathy. The pattern is mixed to negative. Some enjoy the relaxation buzz, others complain it's overhyped, weak pulses, or just a cheap rebrand with no lasting results. Now let's break down the pros and cons from actual use. Pros, super easy for beginners, just sit and use it, the pulses feel relaxing for everyday foot fatigue, and it's portable at home. A few folks note temporary better circulation feel after sessions. But cons, it falls short on big claims like treating nerve damage or major pain. Pulses often feel too gentle, build quality varies with some breaking quick, and results don't stick long term. Basically, it's a basic relaxation gadget, not a medical miracle. For additional evidence and red flags, no big BBB complaints pop up specifically, but tons of YouTube warnings point to exaggerated ads, rebranded generic products from places like Alibaba, staged testimonials, and refund hassles. Customer service is email only and often slow. Big red flags, new domain, lack of real independent reviews, overhyped medical-style claims, and patterns of similar Tri products being markups. Green flag? EMS tech is legit from mild stimulation, and some casual users like the soothing effect. So, putting it all together, real EMS for short-term tingles and relaxation, but super low trust scores, brand new site, zero solid independent reviews, overhyped promises, and scam-like warnings everywhere, the picture clearly leans toward high risk. My honest take, it's probably not sending you a fake box, but the marketing is way overhyped and risky. Skip the direct site and check established EMS foot massagers on Amazon instead for better returns and proven options. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you. Just remember to protect yourself and always use a secure payment method. That's about it for this review. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.